I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 87 of Building the Batmobile from 1966. In this issue, we're doing a bit more engine work. We've got a couple of issues of doing some engine work, and then we've got to start on the whole bodywork framework for the last 4 parts of this delivery, because it was a huge, massive, great box that turned up today, or this week. King Tut's Coup from episode 87 from March the 8th, 1967. Victor Bruno, I don't know who he is. Victor, anyway, was King Tut. I do remember him. I remember him for being in things. Yep, there we go. So that's that. Rebels in the Streets. Batman 10, Part 2, second half of 2010, from Ramifications of the Dark Knight's seemingly miraculous return. Oh, Batman came back. There we go. Read all of that. If you want to pause and zoom in and read all the words, feel free. This is what we've got today with steering gear housing and installing the front left wheel arch. So, yeah, we've got to replace a bit that apparently was wrong. Then put the whole thing back in. Put in this left arch, and that will be done. I assume there's a right arch, but it looks like that's probably next time. So, yeah, let's clear this out of the way. I'm going to need to bring in the car itself, or at least the front end of it, and we'll go on from there. Right, so here we go. This is the bit that I've got to take off. I'm not sure why, but it says use the same screws to put it back on again. So when I get this off, we'll be able to compare it to the new part and see just what's different. Let's get those two. There's one more there. It's that way round. Don't know. So far, I can't see much very different with it. That screw's not coming out. There's one more there. That's this one from the bottom. So there's one over the top one that I've undone, but it's not really moving. There you go. So that's that out. And here we have that. Well, that's got no bits were attached to it, but not really. I'm not sure. And that's the whole steering wheel assembly thing that's not actually attached as yet. That was inside it. Not sure what's different. It's yeah, this is a little bit shorter, I think. So anyway, we'll put that to one side. We'll try and get this back lined up how it was. Trouble is that's actually not attached to anything else in there. It's the wheel that's attached to that. So yeah, because now I've taken that off there, that's loose there. So I'm going to have to play around a bit, get that reattached. We'll get that on. Then there's more stuff to do, which is all the bits that I really don't enjoy. I've got to assemble a bit on the wheel arch and then fit the brake fluid pipes and things, which are all the loose tubes, which I really dislike doing. So I'll get that bit done, and then we'll see about attaching this, the wheel arch, probably that way round. In there, about like that. Somewhere around there. I'll come back when I get ready to do that bit after I've got some tubes attached. Okay, I haven't plugged in any of the tubes because I can't do them yet. They're going to plug onto this bit down there eventually, but I can't do that while this is loose. So I'm going to have to get that attached onto there. There's 2 CM screws, one down there and one over there, which go to hold that in place. And then that just plugs into the end there once I've got the screw in place. So that's that. I'll get those connected up. I found this bit loose floating around inside it. I've got no idea where that's from. But equally, I don't care. It's probably part of the engine, but I've got no clue. If you do know, leave a comment and let me know where you think it might be, but I don't know. So that's going to go on there. This is eventually going to go over the back there as well, like that. Once I've got the electrics all out of the way and everything as well. So that is that. done, except for the 2 screws holding that together, which I shall do behind the scenes because I can't get to them properly from here. That's that. Next time, I believe we're doing the thing on the other side, and then I get to put this aside for a little while we do a little bit of self-contained bit. Well, I say a little bit. It's a big bit. It's the whole framework of the chassis. So I shall see you for more of that very, very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.